is inside a T-Mobile Samsung, whatever I should call it. Well, it is cool, and I'll show you the time right away. This is the time, and then we're gonna see today what is inside of this T-Mobile. Well, I did a little scratch on the screen. It didn't, but I did one, and we're gonna do more, and and this is the items what I have. I have a hammer, and this for scratching. This is very good scratcher. You can do just a little bit like this and you'll have blood. This is very good scissors. If you buy them, please be careful. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna see how strong it is. Whoa, I think that was it still works. Oh my God. I just want one drop test. And then, okay, it still works. It's very strong. I'm gonna scratch it a little bit and see isn't it already out. It's still in the game, guys. So it is still, I'm scratching it. Whoa, look, it scratches a lot. What the heck are these numbers? Okay. I'm gonna ham this and see does it work. This is the big question. Whoa, it normally did home. Okay, one more time. Whoa, I'm gonna do it again. Wait, I'm gonna hit the home button, and that's just a cover. You open it. You don't nothing like. Let me try to get this out of here. Whoa, I got it out. Well, that's done. You're gonna be done at this moment. Well, this is the side now. Yo, it's not the... OMG! Does it work? No, it doesn't. But look at this. I don't know what is going on. It's like a long hallway. Let's keep on. I never saw something like this. I'm gonna just ham this and see again one more time the screen. One more time. Well, I can see the scratch. Oh, look at this. Look at that. It's like a big hole with a hallway. What the heck in my life? I never saw like a hallway like this. Well, I'm gonna see. Whoa, I can see that scratch. I'm going to show you a close look. You can see that here's like a big center going all the way there. This is insane. This is very insane. So I'm just going to also scratch the keyboard. Oh, I just took out this. It still works, guys. It works. It works. Or not. Okay, we're going to see what's inside. So, we're going to... Wow. Good that we took out the battery, because it can smoke if we... Whoa, it is full. It was almost smoking. Good that it wasn't, because we took it out. Now we're safe, because I took out the battery, so it's going to be not safe. Don't worry if there is going to be smoke, because it's safe now. I'm going to do it into the camera. First I want to... Whoa, that is... Whoa! never buy this. This is so... Oh, wow! Whoa, look at the camera. It is so scratched. I don't know, can you see it, but I'm gonna do it here. Ready or not? Whoa. Whoa, that's a piece. What is it? It's like a line. I don't know what is it. But I'm gonna do this. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Ever in my life, I never saw that. Don't do it into this. It's gonna smoke if you do it. No. I'm gonna see what's inside the screen. So I'm gonna see. Ooh, that was a strong one. This is gonna crash. No. I'm gonna try it with my hands. Now I'm gonna do it with the hand. I'm gonna do it. Look at that hole. It is gonna be a hole inside. He's gonna try it. I'm gonna record it. So my dad is gonna try that. No, try the ham. Try the ham. No, try the ham.
No, ham.
Try. Please. Put it on the floor.
Yeah.
No, I'm doing it. Please, no. Keep it. Stop. Give it to me. Oh my God. Nie, no.
Kasper, nie stukaj już tym kamerem, bo ty nie rozwalisz, tylko ręką musisz rozwalać. Wyginaj, zrywaj.
Pick out the screen. Yo. This is the beautiful screen. Whoa. I mean, that's not the screen. The screen is this. Did the screen just come out? Unbelievable. When we open this, we'll open it. This is a crack sound. There's foil in it. Oh, it's yucky. It's yucky, but I'm gonna have to open. I'm gonna try to take it out. I'm gonna try, but a big. Let's go. One time.
No. Włączymy na YouTube.
I'm gonna do it with my hands. Whoa. This is a beautiful. Whoa.
Show me.
Look at this. Foil. Whoa! That's a beautiful color. Reminds me of, that's a better color than a diamond. for me. Oh my God. What is here? Look, here's like a little computer. I'm gonna crack it open. Whoa. And ow. Whoa, this is, whoa, there's so many faces. This. Wow. Can't believe it. Like, okay, I'm gonna see what's inside if we open this. I'm gonna see. What will this fit inside? That's a big question. It does. I'm not gonna hammer it because it's gonna smoke. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and give some thumbs up and leave a comment from any questions and make a report. Bye.